August 23rd, 2013. This is the house and garage across the alley. Is now being demolished. We're going to be almost all done in one day, at least at tearing it down. And they just got to load it up and haul it off. I think he said they're also going to dig up the foundation, which makes sense. They're highly unlikely to use the foundation that exists. So will soon be history. Built in the 20s. I'll have to look up the record. I think it was 1928. I think the occupants are in a bit of legal trouble because they had a stolen car that was being stripped in the garage, and the other part of the story that I heard, which is unconfirmed, is they were, I don't know who, but somebody was selling drugs out of the house, so okay, that's enough for now. Probably come out when it's all down. There's a shed over here he hasn't even started on. You can see the corner of it, the yellow. That's just a shed. And you have a piece of child's clothing hanging there. They had a small child living there. All very unfortunate. Bye for now.